Howdy, howdy, howdy. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Guys, newest channel edition, short fused outdoorsman here. This guy. So, we're here today. We're going to take you guys on a little tour. This is the tour of our nature center here in Geary County. It's been quite some time since I've been out here. We got a little bit of everything. During summer months, spring and summer, they have a butterfly house that you can walk through and see all the butterflies, and they do land on you. You can hold them, all different kinds of stuff. I hear talking in there. We're going to check out the wild animals they got in here. Let's see what they got. Hello there, how you doing? Good. I'm all right. It's a little cold out there. Oh yeah. Oh, look at these little guys right here. Little wild, sir. I do believe.
Yeah, it's hot.
Let's see.
He'll hear it, then he'll come up.
Oh, these are the eastern screech owls. They look pretty cute. I want one. I'd like to take one home with me. Hey there. Hey there, little guy. I don't like that sound. He's clicking at me there. I don't know what that means.
No, I want him to hear the divider, and then he'll come up, and if I talk to him, he'll sit up.
What's in here?
This is a black-footed parrot.
A black-footed parrot.
Yes. I take it this is your first time here?
Yes. He's been here before. I've been here years ago. Sarah, what are you looking at over there? What is that? Oh, you got snakes over here. Oh God! What is this? This is a harmless northern water snake. I've caught me a few of those around here. Ugly little creatures. And then over here we have the gopher snake. He's pretty big. The others must have fed him all the gophers. Holy moly, he's huge. He hasn't missed a meal in weeks. Oh, hi there, little boy. Oh, nice to meet you too then. I'll leave him alone. She's trying to get him to eat. He saw me. He saw me and was like, "See ya, buddy. I don't want to talk to you anymore." Oh, what a toadstool! Ha! Look here, we have some mud puppies. Little mud puppies. You know, them little buggers. Look right here, see it? There's one. There's another one right here. Oh, there's a toad. I'm not sure what's in this one, or whatever it is, it sucked right back down up underneath the log there.
Where is this short fused outdoorsman at? Short fused outdoorsman, where you at? Can't never find this guy anywhere. Let's see where he's gonna be. He's usually talking to plants. This dude is crazy.
Couldn't see me over here. I'm in my little nest here. Look the size of somebody take you guys for a second here. Look around. Look at the size of my bedroom here. I've got stairs to come in and out. Yes. The bald eagles have a wingspan of 6 to 7.5 feet there. So you see how you compare to the eagle, or how, or I should say I compare to the eagle there. So it's got this as really a nice little playground here for the kids to come out and enjoy at the end of the day. I'd come over here, get my little enjoyment out of it. Got in my bed, I'm feeling well rested. And it's time to get up out of here, guys. Time to get up out of here. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. That's pretty nice steady there. So let me see what we've got down here. We'll walk down the little side here. Try and walk down this thing there. Dirty little bugger. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I want my mommy. I want my mommy. I've swallowed my bangles. They're in my chest there. Alright, it's enough there, cut. See you guys later.